This soft, long snake immediately catches children's attention, sparks their curiosity, and offers the facilitator dozens of options for active, fun, and educational games. The snake is comfortable, lightweight, and safe to use. It can be laid out on the floor, lifted, carried, and used in team activities and active contests. 1. Jump over the boa. Game. The boa is laid out on the floor, and the children take turns or work in teams to jump over it. 2. The touch game. The facilitator names a body part or a color, and the children must quickly touch the boa constrictor with their hand, foot, elbow, or even their nose. The game instantly gets even the shyest participants involved. 3. The counting game. The game becomes part of the educational program. The host counts while the children complete tasks. This is a great way to combine physical activity with learning, especially at parties for young children. 'With this prop, the party becomes more vibrant, interesting, and lively, meaning guests will remember it for a long time, and your program looks even more professional and valuable.